future self. I'm you, but I'm only 8 years old. How are you? Are you happy? Do you think like toy? Do you remember our favorite toy at this age? If you don't, that's okay. I will tell you. Our favorite toy is very cute. It comes in a big set with many sweet little animal families. They have tiny houses, tiny beds, and tiny cups. Do you know what it is? It is Sylvanian family. Daddy gave it to us for our birthday. My favorite animals are the chocolate rabbits. They have soft brown ears and kind little faces, and I love to hold them and make stories for them. I tell them about my day. I tell them when I'm happy, and I tell them when I have a problem. They are always brave and kind. They help each other, and they always find a way to smile again. When I play with them, I feel better too. In the future, I hope our toy will be even more amazing. Maybe they can talk to us. Maybe they can move, sing, and play games with us. I hope my little figurine can answer me and love with me. Even when we grow up, I hope we still keep our happy hearts. I hope we always remember how to smile, imagine, and believe in magic.
You're the best friend I could ever ask for.
Of course! You're my person too!
I can't wait to show you my new dance move.